A narrow mountain road winding through endless tea estates and valley views. This is a beautiful drive from Nirar to Valparai. It is 15:36 after visiting lower Nirar Dam. I am continuing. There is no satellite navigation. Once the network is back, I'll be able to use the maps. It is 15:51 and I am on the way back from lower Nirar Dam going towards Valparai. This road is also equally deserted like some of the roads that I have driven before. There's some nice scenery coming up. I have hit the main road. Satellite navigation is still not there. Cell phone signal is not yet back. Winding roads with a lot of tea plantations. ATR Estate. These tea estates are looking very nice with the sunlight coming from behind. Words cannot describe the beauty of this place. Now my car is saying 25 degrees Celsius, which seems more reasonable. Finally, navigation is back as I am approaching Valparai. There are some snack shops here.
Sirukundra State Road.
These tea estates look surreal with layers and layers of groups of tea plants.
Take the next left to stay on Sirukundra State Road. Continue for 9 kilometers.
It is 1604 and I have reached Valparai. If you like my videos, hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and get notified of my new videos.